5 cabinet secretaries were taken to task in an open forum over President Uhuru Kenyatta's first 3 years in office. The CSs for Health, Agriculture, ICT, Sports and Public Service were engaging the public at KICC in discussion revolving around their performance, of course, of the Jubilee government since it took office. KTN's Timothy Otieno with the details.
With just 17 months left to the next general election, the Jubilee administration continued with a self-assessment exercise at the KICC that saw 4 cabinet secretaries and 1 permanent secretary engage the public in a discussion aimed at drawing lines between achievements and challenges that have faced the implementation of government programs in respect to the Jubilee Manifesto of 2013.
My take and what I want to leave with you.
First on the day's agenda was Cleopa Mailu, who's just 4 months old as the head of the Ministry of Health, a ministry that prides itself with the introduction of free maternal care in public hospitals countrywide. But the ministry is lagging behind when it comes to matters treatment of chronic illnesses such as cancer that has seen many miss out on crucial radiology sessions, and one that the government had promised to have sorted out.
I want to believe that not going to public institution to seek healthcare will be a matter of choice, not because the healthcare services offered in those facilities are either poor or of inferior quality. I want to see the private insurance companies allowing all of us to be able to access healthcare even in public institutions. We have an ICU, HDU in Nakuru today with supporting patients. That is what I want to say we are going to give Kenyans in the next 2 years.
The challenges facing the health sector perhaps inflated by the transfer of health services to the counties, resulting in medics on several occasions downing their tools over salary disputes. But the Ministry of Health is not the only one with a bag full of goodies for Kenyans yet to be delivered. Sports and Culture Cabinet Secretary Hassan Wario was at pains to explain why 3 years on, no stadium has been modernized, despite the Jubilee Alliance promising to have at least 5 new state-of-the-art stadia by the end of the first term in office.
Part of the 3 Jubilee stadia, one was to be done in Mombasa. And we were targeting Shimalatewa, the prisons or the school. Out of the 3, Nairobi and Nairobi, Eldoret and Mombasa. Mombasa was the most difficult to get land and to get any cooperation. In fact, we were at the point where we were thinking of moving to Kilifi because nobody was cooperating with us to give us land to build this beautiful stadium, which we wanted also to add aquatic features to it.
The agriculture docket headed by CS Willie Bet was lauded for implementing subsidy on fertilizer that has seen prices of the same reduced from 6,000 shillings per bag to just 3,000 in 3 years.
And the critical aspect as far as that is concerned is to make agriculture production lower, to reduce the cost of producing agricultural commodities in this country.
I hope this government will be remembered for having enhanced the ease of accessing public services in a dignified manner, accessing services that are very efficient, very customer-friendly services across the country 24/7, anywhere from anywhere in the world under the Huduma centers.
The session continues next week with the cabinet secretaries for tourism, industrialization, lands, water, education, environment, devolution, interior and defense scheduled to make presentations of their respective scorecards, with the outcome of the symposium believed to weigh heavy on the State of the Nation address by President Uhuru Kenyatta, meant to take place later on this month. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.